helmets, gloves, reflectors, and we are working with the different business partners and even development partners to ensure that always our people have this gear. But within our own budget, we are able also to give them these things. It's just that the wear and tear is so fast, and we have to keep on replenishing. The other thing is that we've increased the numbers. Initially there were only 2,000, but now we've increased the numbers largely, so we need a large amount of PPEs. What's it actually? Personal protection equipment. So we are working together with our business partners, development partners, and of course from our own GOU budget to ensure that our frontliners are well protected. We call them frontliners because they're in the face of the city. They're the ones out there. You first meet them before you meet KCCA in the city hall. So sweepers, those who desilt the drainages, law enforcement, and those who slash. Those are the 4 groups that we are talking about.
And the question of pay?
Oh, the low pay. Every year we get a specific amount of money for their pay. So for this year, what they are receiving is what we have. But we have planned in the next budget to get some more money so that we can possibly increase their pay. But it depends on government, but we are lobbying towards that so that our frontliners get a little bit more money.
KCCA had a plan to penalize people who litter.
Yes.
I don't know where that plan ended because it is way too
When
much.
COVID came, we said there's too much stress. But now COVID is over, everything is up and lifted, and we are imposing fines. I think you just haven't experienced it, but there is a very concerted effort on our media to train people on what to do and the penalties that follow when they don't do that. You're going to hear more and more about it.
Thank you so much.
Agaba, okyali kibuzo wenkireetemu. Okyali kibuzo wenkireetemu. Kitegeeza.